Welcome back to Tanvir's Digital Desk. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert any raster image to a vector using Adobe Illustrator. This is a super useful technique for anyone looking to scale their designs without losing quality, so let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Adobe Illustrator and import the raster image. First, open Adobe Illustrator and import the raster image you want to convert. You can do this by going to File, then Open, and selecting your image. Once the image is loaded into your workspace, make sure it's selected. Step 2. Use the Image Trace tool. With your image selected, head over to the top toolbar and click on the Image Trace button. This tool is perfect for converting raster images into vectors. You can choose from several preset options like high-fidelity photo or black and white logo depending on your image type and desired outcome. For this tutorial, let's go with the black and white logo option. After selecting the preset, you'll notice a change in your image. Now let's fine-tune the settings. Click on the Image Trace panel to access more detailed options. Here, you can adjust the threshold, paths, corners, and noise to get the best results. Play around with these sliders until you're satisfied with how your vector looks. Step 4. Expand the traced image. Once you're happy with the trace, it's time to expand the image to convert the trace into actual vector paths. To do this, click on the Expand button in the top toolbar. Now your image is fully converted into a vector, and you can edit each individual path and shape as needed. Step 5. Save your vector image. Finally, let's save your newly created vector image. Go to File, Save As, choose your desired file format, such as SVG or AI, and hit Save. Now you have a scalable vector version of your original raster image. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. See you next time.